Hey guys, I just really quickly wanted to explain what the Walsworth 2020 theme gallery is. Hopefully the link posted right below this video takes you here to this screen. If it does not, let me know, and I might have to like back up and get you a different link, but hopefully it takes you right here. And what this is it's books from around the country and from last year, okay? So from the year 2020. This is a great place for us to start, I think, when we're talking about brainstorming ideas for spreads, both visually and for ideas on the content. So what I want you to do is just take some time and browse through these books, okay? There's several. And these are probably what Walsworth has identified as some pretty good examples of them. Okay, so I want to click on a book. Click on this one. Scroll down. And it tells you the name of the book, where it's from. So this one's from Miami, Florida. It tells you what the theme is. It tells you about the theme. Read through that. It's not that much. And then you can use these arrows to click through. Okay, so here's their like title page. We have like opening, and then it really gets into just spreads that are in your book. Why this is going to be a really great place to start is the year 2020 ended virtually, right? We did not end the year in person. I didn't foresee us going back to virtual, but here we are. And so these ideas are very relevant now. Okay, you can see that this is a profile of Cassandra Kraft. Okay, and so we have just a really cool layout with one picture. It's just one picture, and it still looks really cool. And they have a lot of these throughout. This is probably where we're going to have to head as we continue virtual learning. Okay, it's the profile types of like here's a story on virtual learning, and so really great resource. You can click on different books, click through, and just see what you have here. Okay, and again, you can see that because 2020 ended virtually, a lot of schools had to do what we talked about in class, where they had to take one picture, blow it up, make it look awesome, and write a profile or something like that. Okay, so I just really want you to spend some time looking through the theme gallery. Coming up, you are going to write a discussion board post about ideas that you have. So you want to be able to have some. Because we're going to use them. So this isn't just to like come up with ideas just to come up with ideas. It's to actually use them in our pages to come in the future. Okay.